In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accounting firm to collaborate on QuickBooks. Let's dive in straight away. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this easily by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your login details as this is important for the next steps. Once you've successfully logged in, keep an eye out for the highlighted area on your dashboard. This section is usually prominent and is designed to guide you through that key actions. Clicking on this highlighted area will bring up additional options, one of which you'll want to select next. From the options, you're going to select Manage Users. This section allows you to see who currently has access to your QuickBooks account and to make changes or additions where necessary. Taking advantage of this feature can be incredibly beneficial if you're working with a team or need to bring more people into your accounting workflow. Now you'll notice a tab labeled Accounting Firms. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to a new page focused on managing the firms that assist with your accounting tasks. It's a great tool to help organize external collaborations efficiently, especially if you're managing multiple business entities or different layers of accounting tasks. Next, you'll find an option to Invite Firm. Click on it to start the invitation process. This step is crucial as it allows new collaborators, your chosen accounting firm, to receive access, enabling them to support you with financial data management. After clicking on Invite Firm, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Start by typing in the contact's first name. Be sure to double-check for any spelling mistakes, as inaccuracies here can lead to invite mishaps down the line. Now proceed to type in the last name. Once again, ensure everything is spelled correctly to avoid any errors or confusion. These details are important since they'll appear in communications and official documentation within QuickBooks. Finally, you'll type in the email address of the person or firm you're inviting. The email address is particularly crucial, as this is how the invitation is sent. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct address entered to ensure they receive the invitation promptly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly invite an accounting firm to work on your QuickBooks, streamlining your financial management and fostering collaboration with professionals. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy accounting!